Good morning, students. In this class, I shall be doing the markings of question answers of subject history, chapter 8, industry and trade. Please open your textbooks to page 46. The first question, choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. In 1948, Industrial Finance Corporation of India was formed for the second answer, making available long-term loans to industrial projects. Second, automobile industry in India is called as the sunrise sector. Third, the major responsibility of the textile committee is determining the quality standards of cloth. Fourth, Ludhiana is the major Indian city in the production of bicycles. Second part, identify the wrong pair. We have just the first part of the question. The third pair is wrong pair. Textiles Committee dash welfare of weavers. Question 2a, create a concept picture based on the chapter. The first, industries in India, and second, India's imports and exports. Both of these are on page 77 of Navneet Digest. I shall be posting a picture of the page for both these questions to see the answers in this existing video. It's an audio basically. Question 2b, explain the following concept. The internal trade of India, page 45, textbook 2b1. On the right hand side under the title internal trade, the whole of the first paragraph is inclusive for 2b1. Each sentence make it as points. From India's internal trade takes place till included in internal trade. Explain with reasons. Question 3a. The tourism industry has developed a lot in India. Page 45, 3a1. The tourism topic on the left hand side at the bottom of the page. The first statement you have to pick up, put in brackets, India has a rich cultural heritage. Then leave 2 lines, come to the third line, tourists from our country as well. You continue that whole part, come on the other side to the word corporation, close your bracket there. Next paragraph, in some places there are guides who give information to tourists about that area, close your bracket. Next line, open from in some remote. And is given, write down places instead of and, cancel and. In some remote places. Still you will write which are. And then you continue with difficult. In some remote places which are difficult to reach, cancel tourist places which are difficult to reach, the local people help the tourists in return for a fee. Employment opportunities are generated out of these needs. 3.2, the quality of life and standard of living of Indian citizens is increasing. Page 45 again, 3.2. On the right hand side, under the title Internal Trade, second para, the whole of the second para, from due to the development of industries till progress of the country. On the second line, the standard of life in the country improves is given. After country you will write is, and improves you will make it as improving. Cancel es of improves and write down ing. That's 3.2. Right answer in 25 to 30 words. What efforts are made by our government to promote agricultural industries? This is at page 44, 3b1. You can write any 5 points. Please mark. I'll be giving you more points, but at least you should be knowing 5 points, any 5. So 3B144. On the right hand side of page 44, second paragraph, first, second, third, fourth, fifth line. At the end, open bracket. In order to encourage farming, loans are given to farmers through rural banks and cooperative institutions. Second point, study visits, agricultural outdoor trips and farmers get-togethers are organized through the Panchayat Samitis to bring about improvements in agriculture. Third point, tools and implements, seeds and fertilizers are also supplied. Fourth point, the farmers are given training regarding soil testing, nursery of fruit plants, pisciculture, poultry, cattle and goat rearing, dairy farming. Fifth point, guidance is given to farmers by a district level training institute. Sixth point, financial help is given to build warehouses for storing the farm produce. So all this is 3B1. How is employment generated in the tourism sector? That's 3B2. This answer is same as 3A1. Same answer as 3A1. 3B2 is same as 3A1. Third question, which industries in India are based on forests? Page 45. 3B3. Page 45, on the left hand side under the title Forest Resources, the whole of the paragraph is inclusive. From government has reserved some forests till the last line. Raw material needed for paint. That's 3B3. Next question, write a short note on leather industry in India. On the same page 46, wherever you find space, there are 3 points to be written. So take down the points. Either on top you can write above the exercise word, or you write below at the bottom of the page. So point number 1 is, you can write short form for leather industry, L.I. Leather industry is a big industry in India. I repeat, point 1, leather industry is a big industry in India. So leather industry, write on L.I. Second, it is primarily export oriented. It is primarily PRIMARILY. Export oriented. Oriented, ORIENTED. Third point, again leather industry, make it short, L.I. has a place of, leather industry has a place of prominence, PROMINENCE. PROMINENCE, prominence in the Indian economy. In the Indian economy, full stop, and the point continues, due to substantial export. You can continue after economy, you can put a comma. So leather industry has a place of prominence in the Indian economy due to substantial exports, substantial, SUBSTANTIAL, substantial exports, comma, earnings and growth, earnings, EARNINGS, earnings and growth, GROWTH. So this question is done. Coming down to the table, complete the table. Question 4. Goods imported in India. There are nearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write small over there at your text. Petroleum products. Petroleum products. PETROLEUM. Second is machinery. 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 Third is medicines. Fourth is technology. Fifth is iron and steel. And the last one is fertilizers. I repeat, goods imported in India, petroleum products, machinery, medicines, technology, iron and steel, and fertilizers. The next part, goods exported from India. Goods exported from India. Here you will write, there's quite a number of articles. We have tea, nearly 10 to 12 we have over here, so make place. Tea, TEA. Coffee, spices, pearls, PEARLS. Leather goods, cars, CARS. Minerals, cement, precious stones, tractors, bicycles, jute, cotton textiles, and basmati rice. I repeat, goods exported from India. Tea, coffee, spices, pearls, leather goods, cars, minerals, cement, precious stones, tractors, bicycles, jute, cotton textiles, and basmati rice. So we are done with the markings of this chapter. Please look for a picture of the concept question of question 2A. I'll be posting it in this class. Thank you, girls. Take care.